Hi everyone, welcome to day 6 of your 12-day New Year yoga journey. Today we are going to be working on our lower back. So a little bit of lower back love that we want to work on. So what that means is we're going to just make sure when we're working on our lower back, we're always at some point engaging our core, and we are always going to practice ahimsa, which means nonviolence to you and your body. We're going to go ahead and start our practice with our feet hip-width distance apart, crown of the head lifted to the sky, shoulders on top of the waist, our belly's drawn in, and let's do a couple intentional breaths, so like literally 2. So breathe in, exhale out, intentional breath of breathing in, and setting our intention for a practice for lower back love. Breathe out. Okay, open up your eyes if they were closed. We're going to start our practice with arms going up to the sky. Take your hands to the heart. Breathe out. Inhale, like lift your arms all the way up, and then take your hands down onto the thigh. Open up the spine for a seated cow pose. Stick your tailbone out. Roll the shoulders back and down to the tail. Lift your chin up. Breathe in. Exhale. Breathe out. Okay, inhale, opening up the heart. Exhale, rounding the back. So when we do this, we are articulating the spine here. Breathing in, exhale, breathing out. I want you to focus on breathing in from tailbone up to head and chin. Exhale, chin all the way back down to the tailbone as we go into cat. So inhale, tail to chin. Exhale, chin and the neck down to tail. Good. Last one. Breathing in and out. Okay. From here, for lower back love, we're going to just go ahead and rub into our lower back here. According to Chinese medicine, our lower back is part of where the kidneys reside, and where the kidneys are, we believe in Chinese medicine that these are the foundation of our body. The 2 kidneys are actually the yin and the yang of the body. So we're going to rub into our lower back, giving some love to the yin and yang, the balance of our system. A lot of love here. Good. Now from here, breathe in, chest up. We're going to press ourselves down to a forward fold. So take your hands at the outside of the body, the yang meridian down. And then from here, I want you to just kind of hang here. Now, depending on your body and how you're feeling today, you may not be able to hang, and that's okay. So if you can't hang, I want you to take your hands on top of your thighs and just melt as best as you can, if you can, just like this. And what we're doing is we're allowing ourselves to compress into a forward fold, and giving some love and release to the lower back. So if you are here, that's great. If you are here, that's great too. I want you to find breath here, in and out with the breath. And as you do this, I want you to soften, relax the shoulders, soften into the back, relax into your feet. Good. Now, to get out of this pose, we need to tighten our belly muscles, okay? Tighten, 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 and we're going to press ourselves up. So push into your feet, tight belly, press, press, press up. Breathe in. Whew. Breathe out. Go ahead and rub into the lower back. Good. Let's go ahead and widen our stance, okay? I'm going to scooch my chair a little bit away from the back, just so it's not pressing there. I'm going to press my feet down into the earth, always spreading my toes. You'll notice that my toes are turned out a little bit, and that my knees are not sagging in like this. So that my knees are definitely on top of the ankle. Always try to do that, on top of the ankle for support. Both of my sits bones are rooted into my chair, and then I'm going to sit nice and tall. So to sit nice and tall, crown of the head is lifted, drawing the belly in nice and tight, shoulders on top of the waist. Now, if this is a little uncomfortable, you gotta scooch it back in. That's okay. Do what's best for you. It's your practice, your yoga. Make it work for you. Go ahead and take the arms all the way up and then bring it down. Breathing in and breathing out. Exhale to the side. Okay, so as we've opened up the legs, we've actually opened up the pelvis a little, and we're giving a little bit more space into the lower back. So we're gonna open up a little bit more, breathing out, breathing in, and expand out. Okay, again, breathing in, breathing out, inhale, and exhale. Now, from here, I want you to take the arms up, and I want you to sway to the side. Come on back to center, smile, and other side. Ooh, breathing in, you need to tighten your belly when you come up, okay? Breathing out, in, come on back up, and breathing out, in, and out. Inhaling, exhaling, in, and release, breathe out. Now, open up the arms here, twist, back to center, twist, back to center, and then release. Now, I want you to imagine that your hands are like harvesting some form of like seaweed, okay? Or your fingers are like seaweed in water. And as we go from back to forth, I want you to just find a rhythm that works for you. So we're gonna kind of find the flow here. Good, good. And I want you to flow back and forth. And as we do this, you're noticing we're just kind of opening up the lower back a little. We're just putting a little bit of movement in the waist. And all this is super healthy and happy for our lower back. So lower back love. Good. Now breathe in and out. Going slower. Slower is actually harder. And out. In and out. Now I want to go all the way up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Exhale. In and out. Let's go the other way. Up and down. Up and down. Find your rhythm. Flow. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. And then in the center, up and down. Good. Now, I'm going to readjust myself because all that movement, sometimes you get a little shifty. So go ahead and reshift yourself. I want you to take your right hand behind you, okay? So it looks like this. Got it? So the palm of your hand is facing the back. The back of your hand is touching that nice little lower, nice little soft lower spot of the back. I want the other arm to go all the way up for a high five. So the left hand's going high five to the sky. Breathe in here, and then I want you to imagine you're scooping beautiful glacier water below. And as you come up, I'd like you to turn the palm of the hand up to the sky and then let it go down. Good, so you're gonna breathe out here. Inhaling, turn the palm up, looking up at it, and then breathing out, scooping, breathing. So what we're doing is we're imagining we are scooping glacier water into the palm of our hand here. We're turning the palm of the hand so that the water trickles down, our triple energizer, that's the meridian that goes down here, into the back of our neck, down the spine, and guess where it pools down to? Oh, this hand in the back where the kidneys are. So let's support our beautiful lower back kidneys, scooping that glacier water, and let that water trickle down. Breathing out. Breathing in as you come up, breathing out. Inhale and exhaling. In and out. Do you think you've got a hang of it? Let's do the other side, okay? So switch hands. Right arm up. Breathe in. Exhale, scoop. Good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Scoop it up. Let it trickle down that arm. Good. Breathing. Don't forget to breathe. So exhale as you come down. Inhale as you come up. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Let's do 2 more. In and out. Breathing in. And last one. Breathing out. Breathing in. And release. Take both hands behind you. Take a breath here. In and out. Well done. Release the hands. Go ahead and rub your lower back. Toe heel your feet back into that neutral position where we started. Continue to rub your lower back. Great. Go ahead and take your hands to the heart. Well done, everyone. Lower back love. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. You're doing such a great job. Let's take a moment to thank for today. Let's take a moment to thank ourselves. And for you, why don't you thank yourself, please, for showing up, doing this, something wonderful for your mind, body, and soul. Namaste, everyone.